Senior Project Coordinator for Botswana Baylor Children's Clinical Center says genomics is a new field of research in Botswana, but it is the future of personalized medicine.
The research that we're doing is looking at the traits that people inherit, the genes that people inherit made up of DNA, and finding out how that has an impact on disease. Specifically, we're looking at how your genes can impact HIV and TB disease progression in children. And by better understanding the role of genetics in disease, we can create better medicines, and medicines that are targeted to a person depending on their genetic makeup.
Pettitt said up to now, most of the genomic research done has been taking place in Europe and North America, while the African continent has not been equipped to do this kind of high-tech research. But with the $3.6 million grant from the U.S. National Institutes of Health to Botswana, history is about to be made.
Much of that money will be used to develop the laboratory infrastructure at the University of Botswana and Makerere University to conduct this kind of research. And we're also training Botswana and Ugandan students to go to the US to get specialized training that they can return and develop these research projects back in their home universities like UB.
Pettitt said due to a genetic mutation of the CAfGEN gene, a few individuals in Caucasian populations are resistant to the HIV virus. Asked if there's a possibility of artificially deleting this gene from individuals to prevent them from getting the virus, Pettitt had this to say.
As of now, we're not quite there yet, which is why it's very important that we're conducting the research we're doing now with CAfGEN in Botswana to better find therapies and find new discoveries that we can use to create those therapies, because we're not quite there yet.
Reporting for Botswana News, Gaborone.